Showing angles displays the angle measurement between two vectors centered on the same object. This function shows a text box that displays the angle measurement between two vectors in degrees and in radians. Here we have Cassini and its radar sensor. As of now, angles between a boresight vector and a different type of vector cannot be computed since boresight vectors are the only vectors that are centered on a sensor. However, in this case, since Cassini's -z body frame axis points in the same direction as the radar sensor, we can use this axis instead to calculate the angle between the instrument's boresight and the direction to Titan. To show this angle, first select the object that the two vectors are centered on. Then, select one of the two vectors and right-click the non-selected vector and click angle to whatever the name of the first vector was. Make sure time is unpaused. And here you'll see the angle.